Ever since I started 10-day challenge, I've been posting content on LinkedIn consistently. I never believed posting content on LinkedIn can get you clients like any of you who don't use LinkedIn much. But I posted anyway to build my audience and to see if it works. And to my surprise, it really works. Come, let me show you what I mean. So if you visit to my profile, if you go to profile and you can see I have 946 profile views, 6253 post impression and 128 search appearance. This means like my content is working on me. I have also turned on creator mode and this is only just 7-day impressions. So if I click on it, you will get detailed performance chart. Then if I click on past 28 days, and show results, so you can see like my post has reached 27,000 people. So you are easily going to get clients out of all these eyeballs. And if you can see, here are my top performing post, where you can see the impression is basically the reach of the post, which you can see, and also the engagement as well. So if I click on past 365 days, and you will be surprised. My content has been seen by 141,000 people. Some people have even millions of impression. You can see some people have even like 5 million impression in last 1 year. So it's not very difficult to get 50 clients out of 5 million impressions. So that's why you need to start posting content on LinkedIn. So let me show you the clients that I got from LinkedIn. So this is the first client that I got. Hi him. I saw your latest video. It's nice. May I know who did the editing? I'm looking for a good editor for my YouTube channel. Any reference will be great. We do it in-house. That's great. Yeah, pricing. And then I converted this client. So this is how I got inbound lead. This became my client. This is my first ever client from LinkedIn. I also get other clients like you can see. So this is another client. Hi, I wanted to talk videos, so connecting. So she sent me her YouTube channel and I watched it. And then she asked me if I can do her edit. So this is my second client. And third client I got from LinkedIn is from my post, which I'm going to show you. So I posted this on LinkedIn and there I had this comment. The guy commented absolutely true, but there are a few blockages that people feel with YouTube. Insecurity to putting themselves in front of camera, time consuming and multiple skill needed, worrying about what people would say about them. Then I wrote the reply. That's where I help people. And this guy then sent me a connection request and message on LinkedIn. So this is how he texted me on LinkedIn. Hi him, this is so nice to meet you. I will share productivity concept, save you hours every month. For starter, switch between travel instructor. Thanks, awesome. Then hi, I'm actually looking for a video editor for my personal branding work. Could you send me your work portfolio? And I also converted this client. That's how I got all of my clients from LinkedIn. And you can get it too. I'll be sharing some tips now. Yes, posting on LinkedIn can get you client, and I'm not lying, I'm not sponsored by LinkedIn. Here are some tips that you should keep in mind. Number one, optimize your profile. Add a good picture of yourself, add a nice banner telling what you do, and also add bio section where you tell who you help, what do you offer, and how does it help your clients. Number two, turn on creator mode. By default, you have LinkedIn profile, and when you turn on the LinkedIn creator mode, then you have some additional options like you can add your about section, you can add your skills, you can add what you talk about, and all of these stuff. And you can also showcase your work as a LinkedIn creator. And also when someone visits your profile, they have an option to just follow you instead of sending a connection request. Number three, follow best people related to your niche. You can search like top creators on LinkedIn related to web design or top creators related to copywriting on LinkedIn and just follow them. Number four, engage with at least 20 posts every day. When you go to LinkedIn and you see creators post, you have to engage with them, add meaningful comments and interact with them. That's how you get profile visits. Number five, post every day. From Monday to Saturday, post every day without skipping, and it can be something related to your niche or general about your life, your lifestyle, or how you help your clients to get results. Also, you can post testimonials and stuff like that, and also you can make them featured on your profile so that someone when comes to your profile, they can see what have you done, what are your best posts, and what are you all about. Number six, Observe what others are doing in your niche and try to replicate them, try to make better content than them and see what they are doing and do the best, and also learn from them. Number 7, send 10 to 20 connection requests every day. Send personalized connection requests and add with your prospects. Connect with your prospect, start conversation there. You have to not just connect with people, you have to at least talk to 5 new people every day, because when we talk to other people and they talk to us, our posts are shown in their feed, and that's how LinkedIn will show your content to them and they will eventually convert and become your client. But if you don't talk to anyone, don't talk to your prospect, and you just connect with them and never talk to them, then they won't be seeing your posts. Number 8, do above steps every day for 2-3 hours and you will start seeing results in 30 to 60 days. LinkedIn could be boring at times and it can be boring in the beginning, just like it was for me. But after a month, you will start loving it and you will ditch Instagram. Just kidding. But the most important part is posting content on LinkedIn every day. And if you want to learn how to post on LinkedIn with ChatGPT, you should check out this video next.